Wix Blog Templates 2024 How to Create a Blog on Wix. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a blog of your choice of any type and any design for your Wix website. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this in great depth and detail. So please make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end. Now, to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're gonna go and here it says welcome to your dashboard. Now, once you're in your dashboard over here, what you're gonna want to do is we're gonna come into site actions. Okay, obviously you're gonna make sure that if you already have a site, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on create new site. All right. Now, once we go on create new site, obviously loads up the site assistant. Now, it gives you two options. So you can either start your website using AI or you can set it up without AI. Now, obviously, creating it with an AI is much easier, but I'm going to go ahead and set it up without AI to give you the whole concept behind designing the actual site properly. So here we come on setup without AI. Now, once we do that, it says, what kind of website are you creating? So, it could be an online store, portfolio, whatever you want, but in this case, we're making a blog, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on blog and click on next. Now, once we do that, here it says, what would you like to call your website? You can change it anytime you want. So in the name of our website, just go with any name you find good, go with any name you think seems nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say, new blog. I'm just going to call it that. We're going to click on next now. Now, once we do that, it brings us here. So what do you want to add to your website? All right. So when it comes to adding things to your website, obviously Wix already adds things for you like a built-in blog to write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas. You have chats, Instagram feed. You could add forms as well if you want people to sign up. And then there's all these widgets that you can add. But if you don't add these right now, don't worry. You can add these later on as well. This is just to, start you off. So once we do all that, we click on next. Now it says start setting up your website. So start designing your site with a template or a custom built site. I'm going to go with a template. And once we come to a template, here it says blog website templates. And here you get all your templates. So these are all blogs. Like all the pages you see, all the aspects, all the products you see, these are all going to be blogs, nothing other than that. So let's go to, let's say, a travel blog. This blog looks cool. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit and I'm going to start editing this. Okay. So once this loads up, let's go ahead and actually, start editing it and working on it. And the best part about working with Wix and its, actual blog intimacies and blog tendencies is that Wix actually gives you the privileges of designing freely. Okay, you can design anything, anyhow, any way you want. You can add in your elements in any style, add in any type of applications for map markets, and a whole lot more. So it's really fun and really simple to use your Wix. So obviously the website does take a few seconds to load in, so I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And once the website loads in and we get into Designer, we're going to make a perfectly great looking website just like these templates over here. And here you can see my template has now opened. Now, again, AI says you can generate your website's text. Obviously, you can do this. It will save you a lot of time. But again, we're here to discuss how we're going to do this. So I'm going to stay over here. Now, if you come to pages and menu over here, in the pages and menu section, you have your site menu, and over here you have home, about, travel, eat, relax, videos, etc. These are, the basic pages that you have on your category page. So let's say we have around the world, okay, or about over here. You want to delete a few pages. So I'm going to delete, let's say, videos. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete relax. I'm going to delete eat. All right. I'm going to delete travel. Then we have a few things like blog. You can delete that as well, but I'm going to keep these ones. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my home page and I'm going to start editing that. So this is my home page, right? And in my home page, let's say up here, it's my header, right? This is my custom header. I want to add my logo over here. So how are you going to do that? You're going to click on add elements. Once you click on add elements, you can choose if you want to add an image as a logo or a text as a logo. So I'm going to go ahead and click on text. I'm going to bring this right here. Okay. And once it comes over here, I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Okay. And I'm going to make this adjusted. There we go. So let's say I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it John Blog. Now, in the case that the text goes overboard, you can always reduce the font of your text. Okay. So just reduce the font, and that's how it's going to look now. It looks much better. And obviously, you can change the style of the text. You can add in animations. You can change the color, change the fonts if you want to. We have tons of fonts over here. So, that looks cool. Yeah. You can italicize it even more, underline your text, color your text any way you want. And, it gives your page a very good look. And I like the way it sits. Okay. So I'm just gonna make this a bit smaller. From here, I'm gonna choose this. Move this a bit to the center. Yeah, there we go. So now we have John's blog and we have, our basic headers. Then you have this area of your blog. Okay, in these areas, you need to add your own pictures, etc. So, let's say if we have a travel blog and we want to add our own photo. So we're going to click on change section background. Now here you can add a solid color or you can add an image of your choice. Okay. Now, when it comes to that, it's going to bring you to the media dashboard and you can click on upload media. Go ahead and choose any media you want. Okay. It could be media from your own, PC. It could be media from your own, Google Drive, whatever you want. It's all available. So let's say I want to add a certain media that I have. Okay, so I'm going to go in my pictures and I'm just going to go ahead and choose some pictures that I'd like to add. Okay, so let's say I want to add this picture over here. I'm going to upload that. Now, in the case the file is too big, you can always decompress it and upload this straight into your background. Same goes with sections, like for each section, if you want to change the image, you can do that one by one. Obviously, make sure that your image is under 25 megabytes. If it's over that, then obviously that won't be an issue. So you can come into your pictures properties and actually see how big it is. And if your pictures aren't too big, just simply go ahead and add them. So let's say I want to add this. And look at that, it starts uploading. And once it uploads, I'm simply going to choose the image over here by clicking on select a file and then just add this image. So you're going to add it, and look at that. It adds itself over there. And you can actually edit the image to like adjust it up or down. You can crop it, resize it, whatever you want. It's all available. Change it however you want. And then, the basic editing comes in when working with your blog. And that's pretty much about it for when it comes to creating Wix blog templates and how you're going to create a blog on Wix. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.